Hey guys, NaturallyNellzy here today, and we're gonna try some new facial products. I know you guys love it when I try facial products, so today we're gonna be trying this right here. So this brand is actually called Double Dare, and I was really interested in trying this mask because it comes with a couple of different steps that are supposed to be really good for your face. But before we even get started, I literally just wanted to put this on. This is really cute, like a little bow, right? No, actually no, it's supposed to go on top of your head. So like I was saying, before we get started, let's put our little bow on. I literally saw this before, and I'm not gonna front. This is kind of the reason why I wanted to try it out. The bow is just so cute. First thing that it does come with is this cute little brush right here, and this is obviously something that you can use to apply different products. So the first thing I literally wanted to try was a bubbling mask because I've never tried anything like this before. So this one is a step 1, step 2 kit, so you can get this one. So this one comes with 24 karat gold eye patches that you can put on. It comes with a face and neck peel off mask, and it also comes with a moisture finishing cream. So this is another one you get. And then on top of that, this one comes with the charcoal clay, the U-Zone clay mask, and this one comes with the moisture finishing cream. So as you guys can see, she has all 3 of those on her face. But today we're gonna focus on this baby right here. I don't want to put too much things on my face. As you guys know, my skin is like, it's pretty legit, you know, and I'm not trying to mess that up. So I'm just gonna go one at a time and see how they work my face. So this is supposed to be step 1, and this is the detox bubbling mask. Oh, okay, it's very slippery. So out the package, this is what it looks like. Very slippery. And I just got out of the shower. I exfoliated, washed my face, and I don't have anything on my face at the moment. So let me push my little bow back and make sure I'm not gonna rip this thing, because I feel like I'm like 2 seconds away from ripping it. So yeah, when you take it out the package, just take your time, because like it's very easy to rip these things. And this literally looks like a ski mask, like I'm going to kill someone. So let me apply it. Hold on, guys. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. I hope I put this on the right way. I kind of feel like I did it. So besides the fact that I look like I'm going to kill someone, the mask does feel pretty good on my skin. Like it definitely does feel like I have like a nice little facial on. It's very soft. It doesn't have like a chemical smell. Like, you know, sometimes when you use masks, they have like a really strong chemical smell. But this one is already like sudsing on my fingers. So this is cute. It literally feels like I have a sheet of bubbles on my face. Like I'm literally just like putting my face in like suds. But it feels very nice. I don't know if I swear, but it feels very nice. So I'm gonna let it do its thing. As you guys can see, it's starting to suds up, so that's pretty cool. And I'll even put a little bit on my nose just to make sure we get everything covered. So this is literally a close-up of everything, and I'm not sure if it's gonna pick up on camera, probably not, but I could literally hear the bubbles on my face. Pretty cool. Oh my god, guys, my face and my lips and everything else is about to be surrounded in bubbles, like swallowed. This is crazy. Look at this, y'all. This whole thing just like literally bubbled over my whole face. So I'm only supposed to leave this on for like about 3 minutes, but I'm not going front. I was taking a couple of snaps on Instagram. So I'm gonna go rinse this off, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I just finished washing the bubbling mask off, and honestly my face feels really smooth. It feels like the bubble mask probably had something that was like similar to like a serum-y kind of ingredient to it, because my face feels a little tight, but it feels very soft. It just feels like I had a really good cleanser, honestly. That's really how it feels. So I'm ready to move on to next step 2, and this one is the microfiber mask. So this one is another mask that you're supposed to apply. You're supposed to leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, and after that you are supposed to gently massage the excess serum into your face. And this one actually has like collagen, different things from like plant-based stem cells, different things like that. So this one's supposed to be really good for your face, which is what we need, because you know your girl getting a little bit of frown lines up here. I don't know what they are, but I definitely do have to, like, you know, get a little bit better with my skincare. Like I feel like my skin has been, oh my god, just dropped the mask. I feel like my skincare has been pretty good because I don't use too much on it. Like I keep it very simple. My routine is not anything crazy, but you know, as you get older, your skin gets older as well. Please just ignore my cat being my normal cat self in the background. So like I was saying, you really do have to, like, you know, take the extra precautions to make sure your skin is right and tight. Just apply that in place. This one feels like a nice cucumber-ish mask, if that makes any sense. It has a nice smell to it too. I'm wondering if that's like the plant-based you know, ingredients to it. So what I like to do when I'm like using a mask or applying one is just make sure that I pat it down. So if you do have like any areas that are sticking out, just try your best to like, you know, pat it down. But so far, I'm definitely loving the results of the mask. I'm going to keep this one on for like about 20 minutes like it said. And then I'm going to come back and tell you guys how my skin feels. Alright guys, so the 20 minutes is up. And one thing I've noticed is that the mask seemed like it kind of like shrunk on my face a little bit, if that makes any sense. Like it definitely feels like it's more form-fitting to my face. And it's really like sucking it in my skin. So I'm just going to peel it off like so. Oh wow. And it actually... yes, I'm loving that. My skin feels really, really nice. It feels like it has, I don't even know, like anytime I apply a serum to my face, it just feels so good. But like my skin definitely does feel soft. It feels smooth. It feels moisturized, but it definitely does feel like I had a little something extra done to my skin, if that makes any sense. It's just, I don't know, like I just feel rejuvenated. So it's definitely something that I would continue to do. And one of the things that it says to make sure you do is rub the excess of the serum on your face so that, you know, everything is coated. I'm not noticing any reaction to it or anything like that. And the reason why I wanted to do it today is because it was like about 95 degrees here in New York. Finally, we get like a hot day. And as soon as we do, we complain. So I definitely did want to do a mask just because I just felt like I had a lot of gunk and everything on my face and I was just not feeling it. But I wanted to give a close-up of what my skin looks like, and it's looking really, really good. Like, I don't know what it is, but I just feel like I have more of a brighter appearance to my face. I just feel like it is a little more moisturized than anything. And I can already see that up here I wasn't able to apply all the mask up here, but the rest of my face just looks so nice. It's glistening, it's smooth and everything. So this is something I definitely would recommend and I would try again. I'm definitely interested in trying the rest of the different masks that do come with this set, and if you guys are interested, I will leave all the information for TUMBLR down below in the description box. But for the most part, I feel like my face is really nice, and this is exactly what I was looking for when I was trying these products. So it's definitely something I'm going to try again in the future, and I feel like it's a really good investment if you do want to make sure that you're giving your skin the treatment that it needs and deserves. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you thought of this mask, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.